morning. Today we're at Holme, which is just outside Kendal, and we've got another wet dash property to soft wash, and I'll show you what we're looking like. So it's got quite a lot of Trentophilia algae on it. The pink up here that you can see, the streaks. So the windowsills are looking quite stained. So this side, and then it can be a little bit difficult once we get around this corner. But there, and we've actually done quite a few on this development. So we're not doing the stonework. We've got this gable end. Now this looks really bad. So really heavily stained, and this will take 2 or 3 treatments. And on the side, so it's all showing signs of staining, red algae. And we'll start off at this side down here. So the chimney, and that area there. So let's see how we get on with this one. Okay, the pressure okay? So we finished this property now at Holme, and I'll show you what we're looking like. So this was the gable end that was particularly bad, and it's obviously drying all the time. But a week or 10 days, this will look really good once it's fully dried out. But you know, the box was filthy. Just a bit of render missing at the bottom, and then the side. So yeah, this was bad. Around here, and where we started. Was in this corner here, and again, drying. And if there are any marks still remaining, they will just clear as it fully dries out. But it's looking very good. And then the front of the property. So there was quite a lot of red algae on this corner. And get round to this chimney. So, I'm very pleased with that one. And if you subscribe, you'll get notifications of future videos. Again, we're really busy, and we've got lots coming, so we're hoping to do lots more videos. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.